Hello everyone, welcome to the Fix to Error channel. In this video, we will talk about solutions for friends who encounter Discord Soundboard not showing up in server problem. So, let's learn how to fix the problem and how to use Discord Soundboard. Some server owners state that they encounter such a problem when there are more than 50 users on their Discord servers. They state that they do not encounter this problem on a server with less than 50 users. Check your server for this. If there are more than 50 users, you may be encountering this issue. You can eliminate the problem by performing a clean install for Discord. First of all, close the Discord application, which is open in the background, with the help of the task manager. Type run in the start search screen and open it. Then type the file directory found in the article in the search and click the OK button. In the new window that opens, delete the Discord folder. Restart the search screen by typing run and open it. Then type the file directory found in the article in the search and click the OK button. In the new window that opens, delete the Discord folder. After this process, access the Discord site and download the Discord setup file. After the installation file is downloaded, run the Discord application and install it. After the installation is complete, you can check by logging into your Discord account. You can eliminate the problem by disabling the community option in the server settings. Access your Discord server and click on the Discord server name in the top left. Then click on Server Settings. Click on the Overview option on the left. Then scroll down and click the Disable Community button. After this process, restart Discord and check. Access the server settings for us to add sound to Discord Soundboard. Then click on the Soundboard option on the left. Click the Upload Sound button on the screen. Next, let's add the audio file. The audio file must be under 5 seconds. If it is longer than 5 seconds, it will give an error and will not allow you to install. You can trim the audio for this. Then define and upload the voice name and emoji. If it gives an audio length error, lower the audio time and try again. You can check it after the save is complete. In order to operate the soundboard in the game, you must first assign a key. To assign the key, first access any sound channel from your server and click on the Open Soundboard option in the lower left. Then click on the Edit Keyboard option and assign the key and press the Save button. After the registration process is complete, check if the Game Overlay plugin is turned on. For this, access the Discord settings. Then click on the Game Overlay option on the left and enable the Enable in-game overlay option. After the activation process is completed, you can use the Discord Soundboard feature in the game by running the game. In order to operate the soundboard in the game, you have to hold down the button you assigned. Yes, in this video, we gave information about the solution of the Discord Soundboard not showing up in server and how to use it. If the problem persists, you can comment.